Hello everyone, I welcome you to today's session of Sing Teaches AI. Hope you are getting what we are trying to teach. Last time we talked about napkin.ai, how that could help you in generating presentations, mind-blowing presentations which might take a lot of time of you. Today we are going to talk about another powerful tool from Google, which is Google AI Studio. Let me share my screen. So Google AI Studio, you do not know any coding. If you don't have any coding experience, simply provide a prompt, write a Python code to generate Fibonacci series, Fibonacci series, and boom, it is thinking, it is providing you that detail. Also, till it does this thing, expand to view model thoughts. So it has provided you the entire code along with the explanation, what every part of the code will do. It will provide you what Fibonacci is and then help you in the coding. What else? If you see, Stream is just nothing but uh, talking to it live, uh, providing if you want to get audio, video, you have to share your webcam, you want to talk to it. So interactive. You want to talk to Gemini one to one, you can use Stream. There's another interesting feature. If you want to generate a video without using any hyper tools like Adobe and others, you can use generate video. You just have to provide it a prompt. So for example, you see some beautiful videos are going on already. So I want to describe my video. So my video will say, uh, make a video of a guy running in starry night near a lighthouse and aliens following him. As soon as you provide it, so your prompt is being queued, your generated video will be appear here shortly. So now see, it is generating this video. So as soon as you will have to wait for a while. It's still generating. What you can do, you can change number of results. If you want more than one results to be, means if you're not clear how you want it, so make it 2. You want aspect ratio, you want to make it for Instagram or YouTube shorts, use this aspect ratio. For mobile phones, for laptops, use 16:9. Change the frame rate, resolution. So this is the video that it has generated for you. So as the prompt, aliens are following the man who is running in starry night near a lighthouse. So this was for today. Hope you liked today's video. If you liked it, please do not forget to share. Thank you. Till we meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.